come to our special services. Here, one of our special services, we have a product called our Autobed. Autobed, its purpose is for those people who have back problems. They must start with the Autobed. These Autobeds, it aligns the spine, where the root cause of all diseases starts with the spine, to be the legs, to be the stomach, or what. So we must start with the Autobed. After that one, we come out to our next product called Category 2 or Cash 2. This one contains 4 products at once. It has our foot massager. This one for those people who have foot problems. They put their foot here. It have another product that we call hip massager. Hip massager, it's there. We can see the example is there. Hip massager for those people who have low libido problems. They sit on this one. We have the next one called the waist belt. This one here, for those people who have back problems and stomach problems, they are put on this one. And then we have the shoulder massager for those people who have shoulder problems and chest problems. These are products called Category 2, where we have 4 machines at once. Each products here, for example, let us say we have a person that uses our special services to take our Autobed and Category 2. That person takes 1 hour to finish. Every product is 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Kwa siku moja, huwa na kwa advice ya kwamba kwa siku moja, maybe utapata ile nafuu vile inafaa. Kitu ambayo naweza kwa advice kukuja hapa, chukua package ya mwezi mzima. Hii itakusaidia sana. Ili kuja hapa kwa hizo siku 26 ama siku 30, tunaweza gundua kama mwili yako itakuwa imerudi vizuri ama iko kwa position ya kurudi vizuri. Lakini kwa siku moja maybe unaweza tu punguza machungu hiyo siku, lakini usikusaidike. Sasa mwezi mzima ndio ina proof.
Sasa pia mtu uko nje. Hizi product ni nzuri, zinapunguza uchungu na zinafanya mtu mgonjwa iliyodhania kwa mwili apate kupona.
We use our machines to provide our services. We don't give medicines or we don't inject people.